Hey parents and students, I wanted to take a minute to show you where you can find the to-do list and daily small group schedule. Excuse me. So I'm on our Google Classroom and your child should be able to take you to the Google Classroom. From here, I click on classwork. Now, I will always have it broken down by weeks. And I will add each day. So this is this week's. I'm going to click on the week of October 19th through the 23rd. So you're always going to have to pay careful attention for the week. Make sure you're clicking on the right week. So here is today's. It says Monday, October 19th. I click on that. And everything that we did today is here. But if you scroll all the way down, you come to our small group. This is our small group schedule. We will have small groups this week on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. There are certain weeks that we don't have small group, and I will always let you know. So here's the big one. What should students be doing when they're not on Zoom? So I always have a posted to-do list. So for today, students should be reading for 20 minutes. Then they're going to complete a reading choice board activity. I will show you where that's at as well. The student should read for 20 minutes every Monday, every Tuesday, every Wednesday, and every Thursday. And then each of those days, they're going to choose a choice board activity to complete. You will also be receiving a separate link from me with how to access and complete those reading choice board activities. The student should also choose one spelling choice board activity, and I'll show you where that's at. You will also be choosing an additional link. You will also be receiving an additional link from me with how your child should be completing those spelling choice board activities. Then they should complete 20 minutes of Imagine Math. And then this activity right here, and I will show you where it's at on our Google Classroom, is an exit ticket. We did almost all of it in class together today. With me, I had it up on my screen. The students should have been following along. But as I checked GoGuardian, there were about 7 students who would not bring it up or brought it up and did not do it with us. So they have a lot of work to do. The students that followed along, they only have 5 slides they have to do on their own, then they will submit it. So let me show you where you can find those items. So if I go back to our classwork, I'm in classwork. The math exit ticket that is due today is right here under week of October 19th through the 23rd. And like I said, we did most of this together in class today. There's even a video there if you or your child need to watch it. So you see, we did a lot of it together. I believe we stopped. We did that one together. So if your child followed along, they only have slide 10 through 14 to do on their own. If your child did not follow along, they have the entire thing to do on their own. When they have finished all of it, they will click share. And they're going to share it back with me by clicking add people and groups, and they'll type in See Baloo, and it automatically pops up. And then they'll just send it to me. This is due by midnight tonight. The other items they had to do was the choice board. Here are our choice boards. Again, you'll receive a link that I've posted. I'll show you where I posted it. Here are the 2 links that you can watch so you and your child knows what is expected for the reading choice board, as well as the spelling choice board. I always have the direction listed, and most times I'll have a link there so they know what to do. So this is just a little bit of information so that you know what is expected from your child, what they should be turning in, and where you can find it yourself. I hope that helps. Please reach out if you need anything.